Would it be okay if I could ask you a few questions about your daughter, Colette? Just anything that can give us a little insight into what may have led her to take her life.
Haven't seen her in 20 years. I went out of my mind looking for her.
Who the fuck are you?
I'm your grandmother.
Where's Mum?
Why is my daughter's suicide being investigated by organised crime?
Prior to her death, Stacey was suspended from her job at the hospital due to suspected theft of opioids.
Did your mum ever mention me?
She said you threw her out of home when she was 17. Said you wouldn't let her do anything.
Who are you exactly?
Owen Maloney.
Maloney grooms vulnerable women, makes them work for him, and when he's finished with them, they conveniently die.
How's Cara?
If you so much as look in the direction of my grandchildren, I will make your life a living hell.
I've been threatened before. I'm never the one who ends up with regrets.